What up, fam bam? How are you doing? This is Modernly Kitchen. Today I'm coming to you with a compound herb butter recipe, so let's get right to it, okay? Let's just hop right into the video. You're gonna need 1 stick of unsalted butter. You're going to need some garlic powder, 1 shallot, your herbs of your choice. I'm using rosemary and thyme, so let's get to making this herb butter. Alright, so you're gonna start out by just stripping your herbs off of the stem. You don't want the stem in your butter. So now we're just going to dice these herbs up into a fine, consistent pattern and fashion. So once your herbs are in the consistency you like, you're just going to pick them up using the knife and sprinkle them in over the butter like so. In addition to this, you can go ahead and sprinkle some of your garlic on, and I'll be using about 1/4 teaspoon just to give it a little hint of garlic. Now we're going to dice our shallot. Alright, so this is a good size for my knife cuts for me. So you're going to take your shallots, you're going to place them into the bowl like so. Now with your softened butter, it should be really easy to press in. You're just going to mix it up like so. Fold in all of the shallots, all of your herbs. Some people add salt to their flavored butters. I like to control the amount of salt I put in recipes, so I just use unsalted butter. Just mix it up like so. You don't want any of this flavor to not be combined thoroughly into your butter. Alright, now here we have some plastic wrap, and we're going to use this to store our butter and form it. You can make it into a ball or like a log shape, whatever you want to do. Be creative if you like to, but the simple fact of it is we just want the butter to be good. I don't really care what it looks like as long as it's airtight and it's going to preserve the flavor of the butter. That's all that really matters to me. You can fold over one side of the plastic wrap and then fold it like this. I'm just gonna do a log shape. Sometimes I like to do just a blob. Sometimes I like the blob, but like a Tootsie Roll. And then you can twist this side this way. Then you can twist the other side that way, making sure there's no room for air to come and corrupt your flavor potency. And there you have it. We're gonna let this chill in the refrigerator, and it's good to use as soon as you're done. But I prefer, you know, letting it just chill and marinate and just get all of that flavor absorbed into the butter. You can use it in stir fries, in a roasted chicken, pretty much as creative as you can get. So yeah, thank you for watching this compound butter tutorial. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you get creative in the kitchen. Again, thank you, like and subscribe. This has been Modernly Kitchen, giving you the keys to keep your kitchen blessed with no stress. See you again, bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching our channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss another video. Also, in the midst of getting your kitchen blessed with no stress, why not bless yourselves with some awesome gear? Check out our Modernly Kitchen store for some awesome t-shirts and aprons to get you set right.